Ready na kunin ni Lord. Oh, grabe, putok na putok yung ilaw today. Putok na putok yung ilaw. Grabe yung sunlight. Hey guys, so for today, medyo ngarag ako kasi ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Kailangan ko magpagupit ng bangs ko, kailangan ko ipagawa yung kilay ko, kailangan ko magpa-perm ng lashes, kailangan ko bumili ng bra at pack. Niya, isang peraso na lang yung bangs ko. Hindi ako papayag. Kailangan, stop this. Okay, so since we are in a rush, we are going to be doing our makeup. Ano ba yan? So, for days like this na talaga namang medyo pressed tayo for time, papakita ko sa inyo ang aking number 1 hack kapag ginagawa ko yung makeup ko. And for someone like me who loves a dewy, illuminating look, this sunscreen is perfect for me because I really love illuminating sunscreens. I've tried this instantly for a month and isa talaga to sa mga naging top tier hacks ko, especially for days like these. Minsan lalabas na lang ako ng walang makeup, tas okay na to. Tingnan nyo yung instant glow and illuminating finish that it gives instantly. Look at that. Literal, para akong may highlighter, but it's not. It really works well for that natural afternoon or morning dewy look. As in, fresh lang. Ganyan lang. Pati yung buhok ko nasama. Dahil sa hack ko na yun, as in guys, ang nilalagay ko na lang dito ay pulbo, blush on, and lipstick. As in, sobrang flawless ng base ko every time I put it. Every time I put on this illuminating sunscreen. Parang hindi ko na nga kailangan mag-moisturizer or primer, anything. As in, okay na to. Literal na, okay na to. Yan nyo. Kahit putok na putok ang araw, ready na kunin ni Lord. I also received so many compliments from my friends. As in, tinatanong nila, oh my gosh, girl, ang ganda-ganda ng base mo. And literal, guys, eto lang talaga yon. Ready to go ka na talaga kapag ganyan. Blend effect, please. Oh, you're glowing. That's what we love. Kahit nagmamadali ka. Okay, guys, alis na ako. Alam ko, parang feeling ko dumarating na lang talaga ako sa point na gusto ko mas convenient at mas mabilis na lang talaga yung lahat. Guess nyo ba? I think it comes with age. So, I just washed my face. Like, ngayon gusto ko ang atake ko ngayong gabi ay hihilata na lang ako tapos diretso tulog na ako. Kaya kita nyo ba tong mukha ko? Binubudburan ko lang yan ng maraming moisturizer tapos ginagawa ko siyang parang sleeping mask. As in, madami guys. As in, damihan nyo talaga. Wait. Lalo na sa parts na mga kailangan talaga yan. Budburan mo sa mga dry parts. Kasi gawin nyo lang siyang sleeping mask. Kasi aminin nyo guys, sobrang nakakatamad mag 10-step Korean skincare routine kapag ganitong pagod tayo. So, ayun. After I wash my face, this is what I do. Ginagawa ko lang siyang sleeping mask. Medyo mukha lang tayong eng-eng right now, but trust the process, guys. Trust the process kasi bukas na umaga pag gising kayo, mukha kayong baso, shining, shimmering, splendid. I've been doing this hack for like, I think, a month now, and it really saved me a lot of money kasi minsan hindi ko na lang talaga kailangan mag-derma. Sobrang glowing mo to the point na kamukha mo si Cinderella mamaya pag gising mo. Ewan ko na lang, ha. So, this is the last step of my skincare routine. My sleeping mask is ready. Gigising bukas na prinsesa. Tama? Yes, tama. Good night. Hey guys! So, as you can see, I am currently in UP. Yes, kasi nagpapaka-main character ako. And yet, dahil hindi naman ako nag-aral dito kasi first of all, hindi naman ako nakapasa. Naliligaw ako. Hindi ko makontak yung driver ko. Wala ata siyang signal. So now, hindi ko alam kung nasan ako. Mag-e-enroll na ba ako? Maybe it's a calling. I think panahon na para maging doktor. It's time. God. Help me, God. Gusto niyo pa ba akong tumakbo? Pagod na ako. I'm so tired. Kailangan ko lang magdasal. Yun yung calling because sometimes everything happens for a reason. So, lesson of the day, huwag ka magpapaka-main character kung hindi mo naman pala talaga kabisado yung lugar. Morma pa ako, naka-all blue pa ako. Why? Gusto ko nang umuwi. Meron pa akong hair appointment ng 6:30. Kuya RL, where are you? Ang hirap naman. Gusto ko na talaga maging mysterious, as in legit. Gusto ko na talaga maging mysterious. This is it. Okay, I'm gonna channel my inner mysteriousness. Game 3, 2, 1. Hey. Wrong. Isa pa. Hi, Bianca. Isa pa. Hey! Taas. Wait. What's up, bro? Wrong. Hey. Paano ba? Hi. Ano ba? Arte pa din naga. Oh, hey. Pangit. Mysterious ka. Believe. Maniwala ka lang.